Now, the wonderful people at Gift Hero chose a gift for you. Why don't you take it out of the bag that it came in?
Huh?
Why don't you and Joshua take it out of the bag it came in? Oh, would you like some help?
Sure.
Sure? Oh, you're doing pretty good. You are determined. Wow.
Oh, sweet! It's a monster truck. It even has a boomerang.
Wow.
You open it?
I sure can. So do you like the gift that was sent to you?
Yes.
Awesome.
Who did it? Who sent it?
The good people at Gift Hero picked it out for us. We'll go online and I'll show you their services. What do you think, Joshua?